Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show how you are going to enable auto brightness on iPhone. Auto brightness uses an ambient light sensor to adjust the screen's brightness based on the current lighting conditions. When auto brightness is on, the brightness slider on the device will move as the light changes. Auto brightness can help improve battery life even if auto brightness is turned off. An iPhone will automatically adjust the display's intensity if it overheats. Now let's see how we gonna enable auto brightness. To enable auto brightness on an iPhone, you have to go to settings as you can see on the screen. You have to go to the accessibility section where you have to go to display and text size. Here scroll to auto brightness. Scroll to auto brightness and tap to turn it on. So that is how you are going to enable auto brightness on an iPhone. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.